What is your secret? I found mine. And this secret is so powerful that it gives me the happiness, the health, the wealth, and the successes that I want in life. And here it is, The Secret by Rhonda Burns. All right, I think that everyone, doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter if you're 13, 58, you must get a copy, all right, and start reading. So the best thing that I discovered about The Secret is this law that governs the universe, this law that gives life, energy to everything that we have around us and within us. And that is none other than the law of attraction. This attraction attracts what we think about. It attracts what we want. So when we think about what we want, often we think about what we don't want. We think about, I don't want to be fat, okay? I don't want to be poor, and I don't want to be unsuccessful. So what are you telling the universe? The universe doesn't quite understand the word no. So change the way we speak, change the way we think, and change the way we live. Let's discover a little bit more in the book, The Secret. You ready for this? The law of attraction begins with the power of love. And love is the highest frequency that you can emit and receive what you want in return. All right, so Charles Haanel said, "It is the combination of thought and love which forms the irresistible force of the law of attraction." What does it tell us? With love, one can generate positivity, one can generate better outcome. So if you have a look at this, there was a wonderful quote from Albert Einstein, who says, "The most important question any human being can ask themselves is this a friendly universe?" And knowing the law of attraction, the only answer to give is, yes, the universe is friendly. Why? Because when you answer in this way, by the law of attraction, you must experience that. Albert Einstein posed this wonderful question because he knew the secret. So he knew by asking the question, it would force us to think and make a choice. He gave us a great opportunity just by posing the question. Now, to take Einstein's intention even further, it says here, you can affirm and proclaim, this is a magnificent universe. Now, the universe is bringing all good things to me. The universe is conspiring for me in all things, and the universe is supporting me in everything I do. Now, think about it. Aren't you feeling all this positive energy coming to you? And what happens when you have this positive energy in you? You become motivated, you become enthusiastic, you become powerful, and that is the secret to success. Next, let's move on to how to use the secret that you now have come to know. So there are 3 steps to this. First, ask. You must ask for the opportunity. So for example, if you want to become an artist, ask the universe, I want to find the best teacher. I want to get into a competition where I can perform, I can showcase what I have. All right, so every competition, every contest, every exam and test that comes your way because you have asked for this. Moving on to the second step is to believe. And to believe is sometimes the hardest thing to do. Because to believe means I am already there. I've got it. I've owned it. And I have got everything just exactly the way I imagined happening. So picture yourself, if you want to become successful, in the art industry, what do you say to yourself? I am a successful artist. Imagine yourself, as Picasso, right? Enjoying every stroke of what you do and every color that you have chosen, and believe that you are already successful. As you're doing it though, okay? Not dreaming, sleeping, and doing nothing. All right? Then move on to the third step, which is to receive. To receive means, well, things are coming my way. I'm going to be ready to accept, embrace, and fulfill. What am I doing exactly? So all of this, there's 3 steps to using the secret will make you feel like Aladdin, with the genie, right? Or your wish is my command. Isn't that powerful? Well, now you know about the power of love and you know how to use the secret. And most importantly, you must now embrace the powerful emotion of gratitude. It is gratitude that brings us more into our life. And like what Dr. John DeMartini said, whatever we think about and think about, we bring about. So we get up in the morning, we say thank you. All right, we meet a person, we say thank you. And whatever that we have done, we say thank you. And it is this power of gratitude that we harness the most positive energy that we can emit to everyone around us and within us to realize the dream and hopes that we aspire to. So coming to the end of the secret, you must know that everything is energy. You're an energy magnet. So like attracts like. So be who you want to be. Ask for what you want and believe that you already have it. Then receive with gratitude and love. So I hope with this secret, you're going to have the best happiness, health, success, and wealth in life.